All right. So anyhow, when we look at the jury trial, we know that they get the decision the same day. But in a bench trial, does the judge, after you finish giving closing arguments, stand up and say, "Fine for plaintiff or defendant," or is there like a lengthier process there too?
No, I wish that the judge would decide instantly once you wrap up those closing arguments. But no, you usually have to wait for the judge to put together a written opinion and opine on what the judge might have sat through and weigh the evidence and the facts and the testimony. And so it is a lot lengthier, and it's hard to be patient while you're waiting for a bench trial verdict.
So how long does that take? I'm just let's talk about from bench trial to decision, and then I want to go backwards and say like how long's the whole thing?
From bench trial to decision, you're sort of at the mercy of the judge and what's on their docket and to-do list. And I had a bench trial in November, and today's February 11th, and I'm still waiting for my written verdict from that bench trial. So, within a few months, hopefully. But again, you're at the whim of a judge, and I'm not in the business of telling a judge to hurry up.
Yeah, no. It usually doesn't go well when anyone pushes the judge for a decision. So, okay. So, but like, how long is the complaints filed to you get a decision? What's that timeline look like?
Conservatively, it could be a year. It depends where the case is. If it's in common pleas, it's going to be longer. We haven't really talked about small claims. I'm sure we'll get into that later. I am the small claims lady, but that is a lot quicker of a situation.
Really quickly, that's a separate video. This is all about not small claims. So keep going.